Alright guys, let's talk about something that can truly transform your marketing game. That's right, customer segmentation. Now before you roll your eyes and go, I've heard this one before, just please stick with me because I promise we're diving deeper today and it's going to be way more fun than it sounds. Whether you're trying to figure out why certain people are clicking buy now while others seem to just, hang out in your maze forever, customer segmentation holds the key. And it's actually not as complex as you might think. Actually, once you get the hang of it, it really feels like you found a cheat code or something for personalization. So what is customer segmentation? Let's break it down. Customer segmentation is simply the art of splitting up your audience into smaller groups based on specific traits. Okay, let's imagine having a room full of people. And instead of talking to everyone about the same thing, you're speaking directly to each person based on what they care about the most. So it's personalized. It's unique to everybody. And it's the difference between saying, here's a product versus, hey, I know you need this specific thing right now and here's why. That approach makes your message hit a lot harder, right? Now, segmentation can happen in a few different ways. The first one happens to be demographic. Think age, gender, income, just the classic stuff. And the second is geographic. It's basically where people live. I think we all would agree that location actually really shape behavior. The third one, and my personal favorite also, is psychographic. And this digs into people's values, interests, and lifestyles. And this is exactly where things start to get really personal. The fourth one is behavioral. I think this one is pretty self-explanatory because it's really based on their actions. Are they browsing? Are they buying regularly? They're clicking on your emails but never purchasing? Here's where things start to get fun. Artificial intelligence, like the kind we're using on Decktopus AI, can take this to a whole new level. Instead of spending hours sifting through data, predictive analytics steps in. It identifies trends, processes real-time data, and helps you refine your segments with ease. So basically, AI does the heavy lifting for you so you can actually focus on connecting and interacting with your audience properly. Now let's get hands-on. If you're a marketer who doesn't want to get bogged down by endless spreadsheets or data you don't have time to analyze, let me proudly introduce you to Decktopus AI's customer segmentation templates. And let me tell you, these things are a game changer. Just imagine this. You're launching a campaign and you need to segment your audience fast. You can just plug in some details and boom. Decktopus gives you pre-built templates tailored for either B2B or B2C audiences. Whether you're targeting small businesses in healthcare or individuals shopping for skincare, there definitely is a template to guide you. And trust me, these templates aren't cookie cutter. They're designed to be customized in seconds, so you're always talking to the right group at the right time. Take a real-world example. You're running a B2B campaign for a software product, okay? Instead of just hitting up anyone with a business email, you can fine-tune your segments. Let's say tech startups in the US who are scaling up and might need your product ASAP. Decktopus makes this targeting real easy, giving you more precision and better results. And if you're working in B2C, maybe you're targeting millennial parents in urban areas who love eco-friendly products. Decktopus helps you create that personalized touch that makes them say, wow, this brand gets me. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, now that was great, but I need a deeper dive. No worries, I got you covered. Make sure you check out the blogs and guides that I linked for you in the description box. And if you're more of a visual learner like myself, we've also got lots of how-to tutorials to walk you through on Decktopus step by step on our YouTube channel. So to wrap things up, if you're looking to make your marketing more targeted, more personalized, and ultimately more effective, customer segmentation is where it's at. With tools like Decktopus AI, it's easier than ever. And just like that, you're not just marketing anymore, you're connecting. And I believe that in marketing, that's really what makes all the difference. It was great having you here today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next episode.